Hey, what's up, guys? This is Manik back in another video, and man, it's been a long time. Yeah, I'm sorry for being inconsistent, and I think I've been saying that in most of my videos that I'm being inconsistent, and I'm really sorry for that. It's just that I'm trying to put out content that can be helpful for you guys, and so that's kind of difficult for me to find, to be really honest. But nevertheless, let's get straight to the point. And so, as you've read the title, in this video I'm just going to unbox the iPhone 14 Pro space black color, and just my first impressions and my honest review. And so if you guys want a detailed video of it, just drop down a comment. And the next, so here's how the box looks like. This is iPhone 14 Pro space black color. Yeah, the basic iPhone. So let's unbox it. Ta-da. Oh, damn, this is really beautiful, to be really honest. So let's see what's in the box. Nothing much, just your wire, and these I think some Apple logos. Yeah, so this is 128 GB, and this is a US version. So if you guys don't know, that in USA it has been introduced that there would be no physical SIM tray. As you can see, there's no physical SIM tray in this, right? So I mean, this is only introduced in US. So but I think the Apple is going to do something about it, like going to introduce some updates about the eSIM and all. But yeah, that's that. So this is the iPhone. As you can see, clearly it's really beautiful, really pretty. Just gonna take out this. Yeah, this is kind of satisfying, to be really honest. Yep. So here's it. I mean, I don't know if you can see, this is the dynamic island, the notch here you can see. I mean, you can't see much of a change from iPhone 13, to be really honest. Yeah, the camera has got bigger, and the 48 megapixel though. So yeah. So this was the iPhone 14 Pro space black color, and to be really honest, I'm just gonna state out my honest review about this. So it's like Apple has not done much of a change. If you see the prior iPhone 13 Pro, I mean you're gonna see the iPhone 13 Pro, right, if you're going for the iPhone 14. So another thing is the dynamic island. I have used it like on another phone, so it's kind of nice, like kind of innovative. And the camera has been upgraded. Yep, you're getting the A16 Bionic chip. But I think if you are a tech connoisseur, so you can go for the iPhone 14 Pro. And if you have iPhone 13, I think you can wait for a long time, so that you can try for the new iPhones which are going to come in the future. Though the color, that's really beautiful. I find it really pretty. So this was just a short iPhone unboxing and my first impression. I'm going to do a detailed video about it soon. If you like the video, just drop a like, and any comments, positive, negative, things I need to improve, I would really like to see it on the comments. And do subscribe to my channel. I think I started around like 36 subscribers, and now we're at 72. So I mean, like, that's pretty cool for me, to be really honest. So yeah, thank you for watching the video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.